Hello everyone, let's provide the solution to this problem on polynomial. Remember that we are looking for the value of k, not the value of x. And for us to get the value of k, we will need to find the value of x before getting the value of k. And mind you, the numerator here is called the dividend, while the denominator here is called the divisor. And the remainder is already given to us as 7. Now, for us to deal with this, from the divisor where we had 2x minus 5, we are going to equate it to 0, so that 2x will be equal to 5, and now our x is equal to 5 over 2. So we now have the value of x. Then let's get our f of x. Remember, our f of x should be our numerator, which is also called the dividend, right? So we got 4x to the power of 3 plus kx to the power of 2 plus 7x minus 23. So that's what we had. Now from here, remember that our f of x now is also the remainder. So let's say our f of x is the remainder, right? Which is 7. And from here, we can now go back to the value we got from the divisor and put it into the dividend. Our dividend is what we have as the numerator, right? So our f of 5 over 2, because x is 5 over 2, will now be equal to, from the dividend, right? I will now have 4 into bracket 5 over 2 to the power of 3 plus k into bracket 5 over 2 to the power of 2, then plus 7 into 5 over 2 minus 23. So from here, the only unknown now is k. And mind you, our f of x is still equal to 7. So in place of f of 5 over 2, we are going to write the remainder, which is 7. So this will be equal to, we have 4 into 5 to the power of 3 is 125. This is over 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. Then plus k into 5 squared is 25. And this is over 2 squared, which is 4. Then plus we have 35 over 2, then minus 23. So from here, what should I do? Let me take a step further so that we have 7 to be equal to 4 will go here 2 times, and we have 125 over 8 over 4 now, right? Okay, so over 2, because 4 can go into 8 2 times. Then plus k times 25 is 25k, and this is over 4. Then plus 35, this is over 2 minus 23. Now this could be over 1, and this is also over 1. So what we'll do next is to find the value of k, and we can do that by getting the LCM. The LCM of 1, 2, 4, 2, and 1 is 4. So we're going to multiply 4 by everything, 7 over 1, then equal to 4 multiplied by 125 over 2 plus 4, the LCM, multiplied by 25k over 4 plus 4, the LCM, multiplied by 35 over 2, then minus 4 multiplied by 23 over 1. Now let's deal with this very quickly. Here we have 4 times 7, that will be 28, equal to 2 will go here 2 times. So we have 2 multiplied by 125, and that will be 250. Okay, then we have plus 4 will cancel itself from here, and we have 25k. Then plus 2 will go here 2 times. 2 times 35 is 70. Then we have minus. Let's multiply 4 by 23. So 4 times 3 will give us 12. Carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1, and it's 92. So from here, let's work on this very quickly. We're going to have 28 minus 250. I'm collecting like terms. Minus 70 plus 92 equal to 25k. Remember, I'm collecting like terms, right? Okay, so 25 minus 250 minus 70 plus 92 will give us minus 200. And this is equal to 25k. I remember, since we are looking for the value of k, we'll divide this by 25 and divide this by 25. So this will go with this, and our k will now be equal to minus 200 over 25, and that will give us minus k. So the value of k is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this means that what we had here before, this 4x to the power of 3 plus kx to the power of 2 plus 7x minus 23, right? Divided by 2x minus 5. Now this will now turn to 4x to the power of 3. Now this k is going to be negative, so we write negative 8x to the power of 2 plus 7x minus 23 over 2x minus 5. So this is what we have. And remember, do not forget that this right here is called the dividend. Let me go over it again. Okay, this is called the dividend, while the one you have as the denominator is the divisor. Right? And then if you divide this and you get your figure, whatever figure or value you're going to get is called the quotient. It's called the quotient, right? So you have to take note of these three whenever you're dealing with polynomials. As a matter of fact, you should also remember there is always the remainder. Okay, so take note of these four: the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. Thank you for watching, and do well to share this to your friends.